Due to our collaboration in the making and doing on these things.
Yes.
Guys, normally, you know, I come with your makeup tutorial, but Jesus God, look who the side of me. If you don't know who the side, I'm going to find and beat you, because if you know who the side of me. Guys, the Tony Bella Blair. Oh my God.
Live and in the flesh.
Jesus, see them in a pincher. Jesus. Okay, let me tell you. First of all, to do this collab, you see I still smiling. I was, God. It's like I just couldn't believe it was her. Like Medea in our space. I be in their yard. How are you there? Not her house. So today we're going to be doing the whisper challenge, and yeah, if you want to see what I did on her channel, you can go on her channel and subscribe. Please subscribe. Jesus Christ, we're not charged, you know. We're not doing nothing more than say just click the button, it's free and stuff.
Yeah.
So if you want to see what I said on her channel, go over to her channel. The link is
so hilarious. So hilarious.
I swear to say kiss. I swear to God that kiss me here. But it's in the description bar below, and I'll also put a link probably on her face where she's beautiful if you're on the computer. It's right there. Yes, so I could just start it now. Alright, go on, press play.
What are you talking over there? Get yourself in check. Okay. Oh,
tell you, yeah, man.
Shit. Ouch. Woo!
Yeah, it deload from future. She never believe me said deload, you know.
So loud.
She never believe me. She never believe me. She never believe me. She never believe me.
So loud. Ready?
Ready?
Huh?
You can't believe somebody else would do and everybody else.
Girl, me never. Tell you something, I got something. Alright, go.
Due to all,
Me
can't believe.
Me can't believe.
Somebody I saw.
Pan a patio.
Pan your patio.
Pan the patio.
Yes. Alright, due to all, you want a Jonathan body.
Due to all.
You want a Jonathan body.
Mo want a Jonathan body?
She wants him body. She say yes. She wants him body.
Yo, this is low.
It is low.
That's me eardrum.
Do you like romantic dinners or like a weekend getaway? Do I like romantic dinners?
Romantic dinners?
Yes, or yes, a weekend getaway.
Wheelie?
No. Blood cleanse.
Romantic dinners or what?
Weekend getaway.
Weekend getaway.
Yes.
Yeah.
Answer.
Huh?
Answer.
Oh, answer.
Yes.
The both of them.
Show blood cleanse.
Yes.
Eat, don't just go sleep.
Yeah.
Kids.
Can your man have a up and so take a pan both of them? She don't sing. Hold on. They can sing fast, man.
Yeah, like she just don't want to do this song.
Yo, this loud though.
I tell you, it was loud in her channel. Every time I start it, I scare myself.
Alright, go ahead. Wait. Yeah.
I like your jewelry.
You like a drink?
Nope. I like your jewelry.
Yeah.
Nope. I like your jewelry.
You like me? String?
No, dog. No, dog. I like your jewelry.
You like my
Jewelry. Yes. I like your fresh hairstyle, good girl.
You like what?
Your fresh hairstyle, good girl.
Wait. Come again.
I like your fresh hairstyle, good girl.
You like fried chicken, good girl?
Well, yes. But no. I like your fresh hairstyle, good girl.
You like me? Fridge?
No. I like your fresh hairstyle, good girl.
Fresh?
Yes. No. Fresh hairstyle.
Hairstyle.
Yes.
Good girl. Yay. Wait, one more?
Yeah, one more. Let me tell you, I'm really enjoying this, but what I forgot it. Little most my camera overeat.
Wait, start over.
Little most my camera overeat.
Little most your camera overheat.
You feel victorious when I get it, don't you? I feel like yes. No girl can't test me.
Don't it? Me had a whisper challenge champion.
Ray, we got a trophy and beer things.
Yeah, more one of them plaque there, so I better subscribe.
How much you have already?
60.
60? And 40,000
No.
40,000 is nothing. Because by the time this done, we say 40,000.
I'm not 30 grand, I'm 40 grand. I'm not 30 grand, I'm 40 grand.
Oh my god, I'm at Bella's house.
Well, I cook now.
This challenge, don't it? This challenge was amazing. Me love it. Me want to go longer still. Me really, and God know me enjoy. God still know me
short
enjoy
and
it.
spicy, man.
Yeah, man, me like it. But please go over to her channel as well to see what I said. Me I tell her say I kiss you say, but she says anyway.
I don't kiss.
I kiss you say. So it's linked in the description bar, and it's also on her face if you're on the computer. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching my videos, for subscribing. Thank you so much for showing Bella so much love. Come and know and love up on Instagram and weird things. And tell them on Periscope. Tell them my Periscope, Woody.
Bella Blair.
Tell them my Instagram.
The Bella Blair.
Why your Facebook?
Facebook.com/The Blair.
Why your Twitter?
The Bella Blair.
Why your number?
No.
Okay. Go off a draw line. But guys, thank you for watching.
And
Jonathan,
JJ over there, say hey.
Jonathan is like completely over this now, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye.